I hear cupcakes. Hey guys, so we are getting into the season for chocolate cakes. Unless you live at my house, and then it's always the season for chocolate cakes. But anyway, what we're going to talk about today is cocoa powders. So first we're going to start with our unsweetened cocoa powder. This is the easiest to find in the stores. It's got a nice, rich taste, and it's generally going to be used with baking soda in the recipes that it is called for. The next one is your Dutch processed cocoa powder. This is a little harder to find. It's not at every grocery store, but it is fairly common, especially nowadays. It's got a little bit darker of a color and it's a little bit redder. It has been treated with alkali, so it's already acidic, so it's going to be used in recipes that are called for baking powder. Now, if all you have is this in your house, just good old hot chocolate, which generally I prefer with my marshmallows or whipped cream or both, you can totally substitute this. It is going to get a little more complicated because this already has milk or cream or sugar or flavoring involved, so you need to counter that in your recipe. So typically speaking, it's going to be easier to go to the store and get the recipe that is called for. So, all right, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next Thursday for a new tip.